Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Canon in D on piano. Start by learning the bass progression. D a BMF-MGDGA, played as steady quarter notes with a relaxed wrist. Practice slowly until the left hand feels comfortable and consistent. Use a metronome starting around 60 BPM and increase gradually. Focus on consistent timing and even tone before adding the right hand melody. Warm up by playing small melody fragments of Canon in D with clear fingering and relaxed shoulders. Work on legato between phrase endings and use the thumb to pivot when needed. Gradually connect 2 or 3 phrases at a time while keeping tempo steady. If a passage feels stiff, slow it down and repeat until fluid. Record yourself to hear phrasing and adjust dynamics for a singing line. Combine hands by counting beats out loud and matching left-hand quarter notes to right-hand phrases. Start at a slow tempo and loop short sections until coordination is secure. Keep the left hand slightly softer so the melody sings, and pay attention to finger independence where rhythms cross. Use dynamics to shape phrases and breathe between lines. Gradually bring the piece up to performance tempo while maintaining clarity and steady pulse.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.